It is a well-known fact that the ever-growing number of APIs has posed many security challenges that enterprises have no time to solve before releasing their product. One of these challenges is the infamous SQL injection attack. In this short video, we will show you one of the many features of Proxedo API Security and demonstrate how easy it is to protect your API endpoint against an SQL injection attack. We created a small web app with a database and an API endpoint that is vulnerable to SQL injection. Right now, you can see the structure of the data table, which we will practice on. It is populated with random data. The web app will send back the user's data based on the token, which is a 4-digit number. The request to the program will be sent via Postman. In the first test case, when the token is sent in the appropriate format, it sends the data back. Now, let's test with a word. Naturally, with a string, no user is identified, so the data is not transferred. But interestingly, the request is accepted. But what if we act maliciously, with a typical form of injection attack? We can discover that the whole database is dumped in front of us. This is a huge vulnerability in many web application environments. Now, let me show you what Proxedo API Security can do for you. Restart the backend and start from the beginning. We will use Proxedo API Security as a non-transparent proxy and send the request through it. The correct request was responded without a problem. The string was also accepted. Now, try with the attack, with an incorrect pattern. Okay, but what happened in the background? Proxedo API Security can be configured to the exact needs of the client. In our case study, we simply use a brick module named Matcher, which is a feature capable of recognizing and matching data in our traffic flow. Using Matcher, we defined that we don't want to accept the OR substring in any of the request parameters. You could ask why we stop here, why we don't accept only the correct type and number of characters. We saw earlier that the malicious string attack got through. Bearing the previous thought in mind, we will use another Matcher prepared here. So we set it up where we use the Matcher itself under the Filter plugin, which is responsible for filtering the data out. Regarding the message option, we can show any unique message, not only incorrect pattern, or we can show no message at all. For the sake of the use case, we type, "This request has been blocked by Proxedo API Security." But let's turn back to our use case. Apply the configuration and switch to Postman. The correct request is working properly. The string doesn't work. And the attack also failed. So nothing other than our preferred pattern is accepted. Quite simple, right? Well, this was our breach prevention case for today. We just added some extra security to our API protection.